Hi guys, so I'm here with a hair review and today's company is Alipearl. They sent me a Wear and Go 5x5 wig unit. In the box they gave me some goodies, eyelashes, a slick brush, a wig cap, edges. So this is the wig. I was really impressed with the quality. It was flowy, full, really silky, very soft. And the most important thing that I loved about this wig, it was thick from top to bottom. It also came pre-plucked and the knots were already bleached. So all I had to do was tint it to my skin colour and it was ready to be worn, which I was so happy about. I saved a lot of money not going to a stylist. This is literally a wear and go wig. You can see it's already blended with my skin. All I have to do is flatten it a bit for it to completely melt. So I just sprayed a bit of mousse to curl the to lay my baby hairs. I created the baby hairs myself. And then I'm going with my hold spray Ebin to just basically melt the lace. This lace is very HD. The Ebin on top makes it melt into your skin, literally. And that is not really essentially glue that you need to keep on the wig. It literally comes off and you put it back on. I decided to add some bouncy curls. The wig already came with bouncy curls, but it fell down over time, so I created my own. I'm just going to melt the lace even more by using the headband that they gave me. And yeah. It was ready in about 5 minutes. So this was the finished look. I am very happy with this hair. It is the definition of a flawless, glueless wig, pre-made. And it also has a band on the inside. This hair is really convenient for where you just want to put on a wig and go. It's giving holiday hair. It's given, I'm not going to do all of that with the lace front or the glue, the lay, that it was literally done in under. So this is Alipearl hair in body wave, 24 inches, 250 density. I want to say this is like the best pre-made wig, 6x6 wig I have had so far this year. No joke, the quality is really, really good. Alipearl done well. I'm really, really happy with this hair. I've just curled it. The hair is flowy. It is thick from top to bottom. No thin ends at all. You can see. And I'm really, really impressed, especially because I know how these companies. This is hair that I would buy. Like, I'm so, so impressed for a pre-made wig. And I didn't have to go to a stylist. Yeah, I didn't have to go to a stylist to achieve, like, the plucking was already done. The lace is definitely HD, and all I had to do was tin it to my skin color, and that was it. Slap it on, slap it off. I just used the glue, Ebin glue, to keep it in place because I like to, you know, make sure that no one drag my wig off. But yeah, it's really, really flowy hair, guys. I'm really, really impressed with the quality. I will not even have to. So every detail will be in the description box about this hair. I am in love. Guys, tell me your thoughts on the hair, and I'll see you back on my channel with another video. Bye.